Hey guys, it's Jenny from the Yummy Veegs. We're going to be making a spicy vegan Thai red curry. I'm so excited because I think I could eat curry every meal of the day. Well, at least once a day. And I figured why not just make a bunch of it and have it all week and share it with you guys. So if you want to learn how to make a delicious spicy Thai red curry that's vegan, stay tuned. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put a disclaimer out there that well, my mic's facing the wrong way, so hold it. I want you guys to hear my beautiful voice. Okay. I don't have any measuring utensils, so I'm eyeballing everything. I highly recommend that you follow the recipe in the description. That is what I'm going off of and trying to replicate as best I can. But again, I have my eyeballs and some generic cups and bowls. So, yeah. Oh, that's great. The shadows in my face. Dope. Okay, so first, we need to make the vegetable broth. And they had these little cubes at the market and I walked there, so I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna get these and make it instead of buying bags of vegetable broth. So yeah, we're gonna make 2 cups veggie broth. Alright, so first we need to boil some water. I'm gonna throw a little bit of salt in there because the veggie cubes don't have any salt. Alright, so while the water's boiling, we're going to cook the rice. Because who doesn't want rice with their curry? So we got some basmati rice. Yeah. I don't know. We're gonna follow the directions on the rice. Alright, so for the rice, we just need to bring, oh, it's my coffee. I don't want to fuck that up. Okay, I know you're, stop. We need to bring this to a boil. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Alright, I mean, it's almost boiling and I'm impatient, so. Whoa, look at that guy. Looks like rabbit food, that's awesome. Alright. Go. Ow, come on. Almost dropped the camera. Alright, so now we're just gonna stir this around. And kind of break up the cubie. It smells really good. Oh my god, that smells so good. I want to drink it. Is that weird? That's our veggie broth. That's so cool. I'm always going to buy the blocks now. Or just make my own veggie broth because that's probably better, but it's okay. Okay, I'm working with much more limited space than I'm used to, but I'm going to get ready by chopping up all of the washed veggies. And I'm just chopping everything either like thinly or into bite-sized pieces. I'm trying to make it as even as possible so it cooks evenly, but like, if y'all are here, you already know. It's not perfect, but it's still gonna taste bomb, right? It will, it does. Okay. And you can kind of put whatever veggies you want in your curry. I love potatoes, so we're putting them in there. Bell peppers, broccoli, it's all going in there. I found some peas, I found like at the store, frozen. It's going in there. It's gonna be great. Alright, our water for the rice is boiling. Oh, I'm going to add some rice. I'm eyeballing 75 grams. No idea what that is. Sure. Stir it, and then we're gonna let it simmer for about 12-ish minutes and see what happens. So let me turn the heat down. Guys, look, you don't need to ever measure things. Look how great this rice looks, right? All ooey gooey. All right, I'm gonna cover this and put it off to the side. Wait, I thought I turned the heat off. What the heck? Oh, turned it on high. Then we're going to chop our onion. If you don't like onions, you can skip this, but come on guys, onions are the best. big ass onion. I'm gonna use half of it. And then we have some garlic that we're going to get rid of the creepy bits and then mince. It's like magic. All of a sudden it's done. Not minced very well, but it's okay. Next is our ginger. So I'm just gonna do that and cut this guy into mock peeling. Ultimate laziness, guys. Welcome to the show. Okay, then I'm going to mince this little guy. Yay, minced ginger, woo woo woo. Okay, now we're going to saute our onion and garlic and ginger. We're gonna use some of our vegetable oil. No, what the hell? Vegetable broth. Fuck this. All right, turn the heat on. Medium. We're going to throw in our bowl of yumminess. And let this saute for a couple minutes, and I'm gonna stir and make sure it doesn't burn. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. Okay, it has been 5 minutes. We're going to add some carrots. I'm gonna need a bigger pot. Some potatoes. Oh shit. Oh, fuck, I'm gonna need a bigger pot. What to do? Oh boy. We're gonna add a little bit more of the veggie broth. And we're gonna find a bigger pot. Well, we didn't find a bigger pot, but we found another pot. So I'm gonna transfer. Guys, hack. When you don't have the right shit for all the food you want to make, you make 2 separate things. Oh boy. The trick is to make sure that you have similar ratios of everything, which I think is pretty good. We just need to add a little more veggie broth here. And we're gonna steal a little bit of onions. Easy peasy. I'm just gonna focus on this one guy, even though we got this guy over here. Oh, I should turn the heat on though, huh? Fucking idiot. We're going to add in our spices. Add in some cumin. We're gonna add in some paprika. We're going to add in some turmeric. We're going to add in some cinnamon. Again, eyeballing everything over here because we don't have the things that we need, but it's okay. Ooh, smells good. I may have added a little too much cinnamon, but that's okay, I think. Then, if you don't like spice, I don't know why you clicked on a spicy recipe, but we're gonna add some crushed chili. And then really don't do this if you're sensitive to spice. I found this at the Asian market, so hell yeah, I'm adding some of this. It smells good. Alright. Guys, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. Okay, so this is cooked for a couple minutes, so now we're going to add some coconut milk. I got the thick kind, so you really have to stir it gently or it will splurt up at you. So it's pretty well stirred. Let's not make a mess. Oh boy, this is why you need to stir it, guys. I'd say it's fairly even. Sure. Alright, let's stir this. Alright, we're also gonna add in the rest of our veggie broth. Then we're going to add the red curry paste. I had to search a bunch of different red curry pastes to find one that didn't have seafood, like fish sauce or shrimp or whatever the hell. So I finally found one. Stir that in. No, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Then we're going to add in our chickpeas. First, we're going to drain them. Stir those in. Then we're gonna, take the cap off. Then we're gonna throw in some peas. Oh, let's block everything. Okay. All right, let's stir these in. I love the color that this adds to it, because I forgot about the broccoli and I'm too lazy to do it now. You guys should see the mess around me. Then we're going to add some bell peppers. Stir them in there. All right, wow. I feel like I knew this was gonna happen. I put too much shit in there. So now there's not enough liquid. There we go. Now we're gonna cover them up and bring it to a boil. Then once it starts boiling, we're going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, so things have been simmering for about 15 minutes. Ow. Oh my god, that's hot. Fuck. I'm going to taste it first. That's fucking delicious. Now, what we're going to do is add a little bit of lime juice. And you can totally skip this step, but I'm going to add some chili garlic sauce as well. I made some crispy tofu from another video, so I'm gonna throw some of that in here. This is our final product. So we have the rice and the curry. I served it with some parsley and some yogurt. Vegan yogurt, dude. If you guys could see me right now, I think I'm like hunched over on this coffee table, trying not to fall down. But anyway, I'm sweating. Here's the curry. What's happened? What? Oh my god. That is so delicious. That's top notch. Alright, well, I'm gonna go eat like 10 bowls of this, so I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see me make more vegan things, click these guys. Alright. Oh yeah, subscribe. Maybe, if you want. Okay. Okay, bye!